Hi guys, my name is Charlie, and in today's video, I'll be doing a quick update on PancakeSwap Great Migration update. Recently, PancakeSwap has announced they have plans to migrate their version 1 liquidity pool tokens to be upgraded to their version 2 of liquidity pool tokens. And if you have contributed liquidity to obtain these LP tokens and stake them in various yield farming platforms, be sure to watch till the end of this video to understand more on this latest migration. But before I deep dive into that, I would like to share with you that we are having this giveaway contest for our crypto starter pack that consists a copy of our book Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin. And also, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the notification bell button for more videos such as this. And also join our social channels such as our Twitter and our Telegram group for more in-depth cryptocurrency and blockchain discussion. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, right now we are at a PancakeSwap Medium article that talks about their great migration. As you can see that this was announced 3 days ago and that they are planning to have this PancakeSwap version 2. What they are doing is that they are going to transfer or migrate 2 of their current smart contracts to new upgraded contracts. So what it means is that they are creating new sets of LP tokens and their farms and exchange will start supporting this new type of LP tokens instead of the old ones. And they state the reason why they need to upgrade it. Basically, what they want to do is they want to make it scalable and upgradable, which is why they want to have this migration. And also to include or to adjust their fee structure just by a little. And they do it by these cake holders voting. This voting has already ended recently. It has been decided. And then the migration has already started on Friday 23rd. And right now, as of today, it's a Sunday. And the entire migration has already completed. What it happens is that for the old LP tokens, PancakeSwap will stop giving out rewards and start giving the rewards to the new version 2 type of LP tokens. And they also have this new set of farms with same rewards and token pairs as the old ones. These are the instructions on what you actually need to do if you are in possession of the version 1 LP tokens, whether they are staked in the farms, the vaults, or simply in your wallet. You need to first unstake your LP tokens from the old farms and remove liquidity from this old type of LP and add the liquidity to the new type of LP and restake them in the new farms. Basically 4 steps that you need to follow to ensure that you have migrated from the version 1 LP tokens to obtain the new version 2 of the LP tokens. And they mention here, if you do not have any LP stake, then you do not need to do anything at all. That is for farms and LP token. Then what about those single token pools, or they call it as syrup pools? Syrup pools are not affected at all, and you can keep earning from the same syrup pools as usual, so you do not need to do anything else for this single token yield farming. This is just a quick summary of what this article is talking about. I will include the link to this article in the description box down below. And up next, let us go to the Twitter. So normally Twitter is where you obtain the most current information or updates about the project itself. For PancakeSwap, they do update it quite frequently to let you know what is happening. And if you see here, you can see the progress of their migration progress. And you can see that they also have retweeted other yield farming aggregators such as your Auto Farm, Swamp Finance, Alpaca Finance. Some of these are yield aggregators that has these PancakeSwap LP tokens yield farming. They have updated on their respective Twitter accounts. So if let's say you have LP tokens that is being staked on, like let's say Auto Farm, and you want to know about the updates whether AutoFarm has already synchronized with PancakeSwap in terms of the smart contract, you will need to go to AutoFarm Twitter account, such as this AutoFarm Network Twitter account, to understand and track its progress. About 13 hours ago, PancakeSwap has announced that they have successfully migrated the last of the version 1 PancakeSwap farms to version 2. And they announced just 2 hours ago that next week they will introduce this auto compounding feature for their cake syrup pool. So, you know, if you have been farming cake, right now PancakeSwap, they will be introducing this auto compounding feature, which I think is very awesome for a lot of these cake token holders. You can see here they have this guide. If you still have not migrated your version 1 tokens to version 2 LP tokens, you can follow the steps here. It's all stated here. Again, the first step is going to PancakeSwap, any of your farms that you have these version 1 LP tokens, to unstick them from the old farms. And then you go to PancakeSwap using the LP tokens. You remove your LP tokens to redeem back your 2 tokens in your liquidity pair. They'll be returned to your wallet. And next, you will contribute the liquidity back into the pool again to obtain the new version 2 LP tokens. Once you have the version 2 of the LP tokens, you can go back to your respective U farms or U aggregators to stake them again to obtain your rewards. This is pertaining to PancakeSwap application. You will see that for live here, this live tab under farms, you'll see that these are all the new version 2 farms that is already deployed. And if you are still holding the version 1 LP tokens and you have not unstaked them, it will be displayed here. So you can perform your operations, your unstaking here. And you go to this version 1 liquidity O to so-called redeem back your tokens from the liquidity pool. And you go to liquidity here to contribute back your tokens to obtain the new version 2 LP tokens. This is the entire process. And if you are still unclear, PancakeSwap has guides like the one I mentioned here, or on their website to guide you the entire process while you're doing it. So you can just look through the guide itself. Because these are all single tokens, you do not need to do anything to it. You can still continue to farm your cake tokens. Next, we just take one example, like let's say we go to Barney. If you see you have performed this staking on uBarney to obtain more of these PancakeSwap, to obtain more of these cake tokens, like for example, you see here, you see that they already have updated their farms. They will say these are version 2 and version 2 cake maximizers. In order to take advantage of this, you will need to have the new version 2 LP tokens from PancakeSwap itself. And only then can you contribute to this pool here to obtain the cake and Barney tokens. Basically, this video is just a reminder to those who have been using PancakeSwap LP tokens to perform their yield farming and staking to remember to remove their version 1 tokens and migrate them to the version 2 to continue to receive their cake rewards. I hope that you have enjoyed today's content. Please drop a like and comment in the box down below, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. And also join our social channels such as our Twitter and Telegram group for more content such as this. And if you are interested in participating in our giveaway contest for a copy of our book, online video course, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin, all the links are in the description box down below. With that, I'll see you in the next video.